Reporters here.
I'm Margaret Lawhon. The Senate and the House finally agree on something. Capitol correspondent Barry Irwin will have the story.
They use the word cancer in their title, but are these legitimate charities? I'm Bob Goldberg, and tonight I'll begin a closer look at these questionable organizations.
More taxes for seniors over 65 next year. I'm Marie Handy, and I'll explain this next on Spotlight on Seniors.
Another cold night, but a warming trend could be in our future.
Pat Shingleton has our midweek forecast. That and more coming up next on Eyewitness News at 6. Last year, Congress passed the Medicare Catastrophic Coverage Act. It's a program that will be phased in over the next 5 years and will affect seniors' taxes quite a lot.
In fact, the proposal gives additional coverage, but at an additional cost. Our senior reporter, Marie Handy, has been studying the proposal. And Marie, just how will it affect seniors?
Well, John and Margaret, the new coverage will protect against financial ruin by limiting annual health care costs. But who's going to pay? Many of us. 35% of all retirees, more than 11 million senior citizens, will be forced to pay the new Medicare surtax on their 1989 taxes. Now, if you're a single senior citizen eligible for Medicare, which is 65 years or older, you must pay $22.50 for each $150 you owe in taxes, with an $800 maximum payment. The supplemental amount you will be required to pay will increase each year until 1993. By then, the cost will be $42 for each $150 tax liability, with a maximum of $1,050. Now, that amount will double if you file a joint return. As a result, senior citizens will be paying almost 30% higher tax rates than non-elderly Americans. Requests to repeal this law have been introduced to Congress, but one big problem stands in the way. Some Medicare patients are already receiving the benefits. Alternatives would be to freeze taxes at the 1989 level and repeal the surtax, which would give Congress time to restructure the Medicare program. So as you can see, a tax increase is on the way.
And Marie, how much will this mean now for, say, the average senior?
Well, for a single senior citizen, 65 years of age, with an annual income of, say, $17,000, the tax increase will be about $450 for 1989 and about double that in 1993.
Marie, this seems like a pretty complicated issue. Where can people turn if they'd like a little more help?
Well, they can call the Social Security office at 389-0692. But I must warn you to be patient. I tried for a while this morning and it was constantly busy.
Okay, thank you very much,
you.
Marie. Appreciate it.